Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here doing a vlog. I'm just outside right now and it's super sunny. It's like one of the first sunny days we've had in a while. Aw, my kitty wants me to pet him. So yeah, I just thought that I would vlog it. It's about like 50 degrees right now. And my cat's just playing in the sun. So am I. So yeah. Kitty, kitty, I'm going on a walk. Do you want to come with? Come on, kitty. I got my rain boots on and we're going on a nature walk. So now I'm down in my spot and I come here all the time. I sit on this log that just like is falling over. And there's a stream. I don't know, it's really calming, but it dries up in the summer and it just looks like a cute little path, and then in the winter it's a stream again. I love the way that the air smells when it's spring. I don't know, it has a certain smell to it when it's like sunny but still kind of cold. It's like my favorite smell. And it's one of those things where, like, I don't know, you can't really capture it. Alright guys, that's my whole nature walk. Oh, that was just so refreshing. I don't know, I just love going on nature walks. And if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe and comment for video suggestions. So yeah.